Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm hitting y'all with a pretty cool early SB review. As y'all can see by the title, I'm telling y'all, don't miss out on this one. It's gonna be dropping in December, so you know we're a while away. I'll say that. But I'll say not only are these better in hand, but it's not a collaboration, and this might be one of the best GR SBs we'll get this year. Right here, what I'm gonna be getting into is the City of Cinema SB Dunk Low. I know this wasn't everybody's style from the photos, but as you guys can see in hand, these are way better in the toys materials. I mean, check that out. We'll get into it all right here in a second. If you guys want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 200 likes on this video. That is a normal goal. And also don't forget to check out my Instagrams down below. Always buying, selling, and I will be trading again soon there. Just stay tuned for that. And if you also want to check out my sourcing group down below, if you like getting pairs for less, early pair stuff, don't forget, got a review coming on these pretty soon. The Kobe 5 X-Ray. I mean, I got the one, for the Seattle Supersonics coming soon. But in there, we specialize in undermarket kicks. Is the main thing I'm trying to get at. You can see some of the ones we just did for week 2. I got more dropping tonight and tomorrow and Sunday. So we do undermarket kicks every day, and we got sizes of these available early, things like that. So if you would just want to learn how to get more pairs for less, that is what we do, the undermarket kicks. So don't miss out on that. Join down below, and I hope to see you guys there. But yeah, aside from everything, again, I'll be doing a review on these in a couple days on the channel. Stay tuned for that. Very nice pair. Might actually keep those for the collection, but why don't we get into it? So right here, as you guys can see, the City of Cinema SB Dunk Low. This is a size 10 for reference, and I do believe this is a pair that will probably come with the purple box. I don't think they've switched over to doing the sale box for GR pairs yet. I think they might stick with the purple box for that. So that's just one thing I want to mention about this. I don't have the box and everything with it yet, but I have like a extra box. Like I have an extra sale box for it, but I just don't have the actual like GR one it comes with. But aside from that, we got the sneaker right here. So looking on the tongue tag, that's actually probably one of my favorite parts of the sneakers. This nice kind of like velvet or yeah, that's how I can describe it. Like it's a really nicely done kind of velvet material that is on that tongue tag, and it also goes around back here by the heel as well. I'm just a fan of that color contrast. Like I wasn't rocking with these as much. I was kind of with people where I was like, you know what, this is a good pair, but it's not like that great. I saw these in hand and I was like, hold up, these might be better. These might be better than these. These might be better than the X-rays I just got. Hold up, let me take a second look at these. And you look at the tongue tag and the overall view, all around the sneaker here, and it's just really good. Again, you got kind of this kind of cork look that's going around, the toe box here, and kind of just throughout the whole sneaker. Like that's, what we got going on here. Even it like feels like a cork material. I know it isn't, but it feels like almost like it's made of cork. So it's that's interesting. But another thing you guys can see, again, the stitching that is going around the swoosh right there, kind of that white outline on the black swoosh. I think that works really well. You got that going on both sides and, well, on both pairs. There's no contrast in either of the swooshes, or differences, excuse me. But yeah, aside from that, again, I just want to dive into, again, the materials that we got around the heel here, man. I'm definitely going to make sure I get y'all some B-roll shots in a second for these, but check this out. I mean, really well done. I'm just saying, if we got more materials like these look like they're going to be very comfortable as well. That's another thing I can mention. But if we get more materials like these, I'm just saying, I'm going to be copping. So if I can get a pair of these for retail, 100%. I might even be willing to pay resale for a pair of these. Well, I kind of already did, you know what I mean? But that's for the review, and I'll probably end up, putting this pair for sale. But you guys can see also what we got going on with the laces here. Just it's kind of that GR color. I don't have the extra set with me yet, excuse me. But I've heard it's probably going to be a navy blue pair of laces to match with kind of what we got on the inside of the sneaker here. That's just what a theory, again, like some rumors I've heard, not confirmed, but that will be confirmed soon. Aside from that, another thing we got on these right here, again, you guys can see that very nicely done Nike SB logo in there. It's not showing, so I want to make sure I flash my light, but yeah, check that out. There's Nike SB right there on the inside, and this unique design on the insole as well. I got to take the insoles out here because I want to show y'all the insoles on these. These are really cool. Way better in hand. Like that's the way I can describe these. I might put that in the title. I don't know. But yeah, they're better. They're better in hand. I wasn't too crazy about them at first. Now I actually like them. Like I might keep these. But yeah, here is the insole on them. As you guys can see, a really unique design. I mean, this is sick. You know what I mean? You don't see this obviously since it's on the inside of the sneaker, but check that out. Really nice attention to detail. Especially what we got going on by the heel here, kind of the unique Nike SB logo. Really cool. I'm a fan of it. I like it. So that's what we got going on again with the City of Cinema SB Dunk Low. The materials are just really well done. Again, that's another thing I mentioned. Like, check that out. Really nicely done. That's on both of the tongue tags. So I'm going to put the insole back in these real quick. So one sec. All right. Got that back in there. Luckily, it's really easy to take out SB insoles. Love that. Especially since they sometimes have designs, so you want to, look at them and check it out. But really nicely done pair Also want to say sorry if my voice has been off this video. I might be a bit sick, trying to figure that out. I'll know about tomorrow, basically, when I wake up. But that's another thing I can mention and show you guys right here. It's just, these are cool. And I like the soles on them as well. Again, they got kind of this, like, brown, yeah, kind of like a dark brown colorway going on, which is pretty good. You can see that navy center as well, which, again, that is matching with what we got going on the inside of the sneaker. Again, kind of this pattern going around the heel. And also, well, the actual Nike logo on the heel. Check that out. I mean, that's what I'm saying. The materials on this shoe are so well done. This is going to be one that I think surprises a lot of people. Like, it's going to, you know, breeze past a lot of people's radars because they aren't really rocking with the early photos. But, I mean, if you check these out, they're well done. They're nice. So, that's what I can say about the City of Cinemas. Really cool pair. I like them. So I'm gonna keep, getting pairs for y'all to, review early, because I mean, if we got stuff like this, I have no problem buying it. You know what I mean? Like, I might just tow these, but we'll see. If anybody needs a size 10 or a size 8, let me know. Those are the two that I have right now. Man, this cold, whatever I got, it's just messing with me. But yeah, again, probably my favorite parts again would be the design and the choice of materials we got going on here on the heel. The super unique insoles I was showing y'all earlier. Really big fan of that. And the overall lace color they go with. I think that hits really, really well on the overall upper. And, choice of colorway and style they went with on the sneaker. Again, kind of that cork look on these. So again, let me know your thoughts on these down below in the comments. But why don't we get into some B-roll shots on these? Because I want to show y'all what these look like up close with some really, kind of just good camera shots on them. So why don't we do that? Man, these are better in hand. I'll say that. I know I've said that a lot in this video, but it's like the one thing I can take away from this sneaker when looking at it right now. Because the early photos weren't doing it. I'm going to get some good photos out in IG. My early photos, they're going to do justice. We're going to do that today. Or that's probably be out tomorrow for this one, because I got to do the White Thunder post today. But aside from that, B-roll shots. Let's go. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you all for watching this early review. And again, let me know your thoughts on this pair right here. Sorry, I got the laces going everywhere. But yeah, let me know how y'all feeling about this one. Again, I think, again, this is one that surprises a lot of people. Like, the materials are really nice. It's got some unique details on it. Like, it doesn't seem like this would be a GRSB, but it is. So yeah, your boys will get some good photos out. So make sure you guys check out my IG down below if you want to see some early photos of these. Those will be up, or other like early pair content. Like, I'm gonna be posting photos of the Supersonics, some reels, showing y'all some views of those. So and the X-rays, yeah, definitely got a video coming out for these. So make sure you guys stay tuned. That's gonna be on the channel and on my Instagram. And don't forget to check us out down below at Resell Vision. Man, this is what we do. We source undermarket sneakers every single day. So if you like sneaker deals, you can see some of the recent ones we have done. And we're also gonna be doing undermarket SB4s for week 3. So don't miss out on that. Make sure you guys get in there. Again, if you want to get access to hype sneakers for less. That's basically what we do. Help you source the pairs you want for less. And that's everything I need to say. We even got stuff like this available early. We sold some White Thunders early to members, for example. We did these undermarket right here. So yeah, get in there. Don't miss out on stuff like that. We're gonna have a bulk play on the way, undermarket for members soon. So stay tuned. Just around drop time. So don't miss out on that down below. Start sourcing more. And again, just comment your thoughts on the City of Cinema SB Dunk Low. And stay tuned here on the channel for more. But I'm T. Thank you guys. Your boy has a lot to do today. We're gonna go get it done. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one coming soon though. Tomorrow. Peace.